Hello and welcome back to the next tutorial on my channel. In the last tutorial we have bring a inventory system to our player. In this tutorial we will customize this inventory. You see here I have a new folder add-ons. In the description I will bring you a download link for this package. So you can extract it and yeah, you can bring it in. You have here a fonts folder. We have here some fonts. We have here inventory empty icon setting, a test, a background image and a scene. So before we start, we go in here and we say here sprite 2D and UI, go in on apply. So we can use this better for our UI. You see here UI. Okay. So let's start. So we go in here import stuff UI and let us see what we have here. And we have many prefabs here, and we will delete something. At first the demo settings, then inventory window 2, and we going select this, hold left shift and click on here and right click and say unpack prefab completely. The same we make it here, and yeah. So the skill window we can delete. That is nothing what we need later. And yeah, I think the kill button and the sidebar we need it. No. Okay. That is a moment all what we have. Then let's go here. I have this. When you have this node, you can go in here on the plus button, give here this screen size from your monitor and click off OK. Then you have it here, and this is the resolution, the screen resolution, and with that we can working better. So let us see, we have here at the moment we can drag it. It's the same here, and that is what we would customize. So we're going at first in an inventory window, the demo setting delete. If we're going here on 2D to see it better, and now let us look here. I close it to move it up. At first we have here the player prefs collection save loader. This is a little save script from your inventory. That is what we can delete. Later we will use our own system. Here we can 0. And this is the drag window script, so we can drag it around. That is not what I want. We remove it. And yeah, we have here UI window, and the problem is from the UI window is, see here, we have here this position, and let's take a look. When I press play, you'll see here 0. Okay, so when I move it here around, okay, and I press play, he make all to 0. That's the problem. That comes from the UI window script, and that is what how we can change it. So we must work with the wide and the high with this, and with the scale and with the pivot point here. So let's take a look here. That is okay, and let's type here this number in. Before I have make this tutorial, I have tested out for you, and in the add-on folder is a UI scene. Later we use it to, yeah, that can be better for you. So now he must buy this, and here is okay, and here 1.6 and 1.3, and here must be 1. So here is for the middle. That is yeah, it's left, right, stretch, up on the top, top middle, top left, top right. We will take it on the left side. Okay, let's see what it bring for us. So wait, I make here maximize, and you see we have it here. Okay, so now I will going on here, set on none, and we're going here and set to 0. And now we're going here, create a UI raw image, and we call it big gay image. Yeah, okay, and we bring it up to this. Going to the add-on folder, and we're saying here the test on it. Okay, so let's see it here. It's very small, so that can we change it up here. So, and here, so, and bring it here to this, or wait, make it so much bigger. So, okay. So when we press start, see it here, but that's not right for us. We have center, break 1, 1, 1. And move it more here. Camera copy component. So let me see. Yeah, that looks good. Passed. And let's start. And yeah, that's good. But a problem is we must need it here. Okay. So when we start now, bring it here. So okay, I think that's right. Okay, first component value. So that is here. You must not write it. Here's the UI scene, what we'll use for later. That is only here to see how you can change it. So we have to create a background image, but at the moment it's a problem. When we start, we see the background image, how we can fix it. So we're going here, add show, and on high, that is when the inventory open and when the inventory close. We put it here in, and we say game object set active bool, yeah, active, and we going biggie image game object set active bool, and for height we make it here as fields. We're going here, deactivate that, make a maximize, and let us see. Okay, works perfect. Okay, as next we will change something on our inventory. So at the moment, you see here, we have here, this is very small. How we can fix it? At the moment, we're going here. Let me take this at the first on our here on our title, so that we make bigger, and we say here for the middle. See here, that is in the middle. The separator. In the separator, you have only here this images for this. That is what we can delete. We need it not. And we have here the bugs collection. That is when you have more bugs. That is not what we need now. We can delete it. And yeah. So, and now we're going on a padding box, on a scrolling area, and then on a grid here. Yeah. And what we have here, we have a dynamic layered group script, and here we must change something. We will say that he come on a middle center, not upper center, middle center. And upper left is the start corner, that is right for us. But the cell size, it is how big is the item slot. We make it on 70. And here's the spacing. The spacing from item slot to item slot, we make it 4, and the columns count, we make it 7. So let us see. Yeah, okay. Looks much better. So, but not perfect for us. We're going on a padding box here, and we make it a little bit bigger. So. Okay, here we're going so, and here, so, okay. Copy component and pass component value, and now let's test us. Yeah, let's look much better. And now we will change something like the item slot. So let's type here UI item PFB, and yeah, you must use this. See it here. That is for the item slots. So we go in here in add-ons, and we take this to icon default, and we make it not tiled, we make it simple. So we have here all. Okay. So going back, play. And you see here, we have it here. Okay. So the next is the sort button. So let me see here. Okay. And here I will move him down here like that. Okay. Copy component. And the next is the close button. We have here that, the text, and at the first we make so, and we type here close. Okay, and we're going on fonts, but you can also go in here and select it, and we need this a little bigger. Okay, okay. And here that a little bit bigger, so, come on. So, okay. So, play. And yeah, and when we go in here, we can close it. Okay. Other problem is here my character. This is not what we want here. So we can say here in a inventory other show function, and we take here the character window, going here UI window, and we going here on show, and the same character window, UI window, UI window for hide. Okay. So now we go in here, and we in here, and we will not, when we press C, open the character window. We open with the inventory. So this is what we not need, and this is the same. Remove it. And now let us see. And we have here the character, but we must fix it from the size, and the size is here middle right, and here for white I say 68 691.4, and the anchors, it's okay, and here the pivot in 1.05, and yeah, and here the same 1.6, 1.3 and 1, and I think that's all. Let us see. Yeah, fantastic. And now we go in here character window saying none, and here 0. Okay. And you see we have it here. So as next we can here change the title. Yeah, C and D. Going here, make it much bigger. And saying here for the middle. The close, we can delete it. We will close when we press E, not when we're going on the button. And the separator is here the same before by the inventory that can delete. So, okay. Now we have here some other problems now. You see here, that is the inventory here on the main page, the container. You have here for the helm, okay, a necklace, no, ring, no, earring, necklace, ring, no, okay. So these are the icons. We can drag it around. We can make it some bigger or use other stats for it. And that is how we can drag it in. The drag accept, when we use from the inventory, I can bring it here. We can make it much bigger, but for now that's okay. And yeah, that is the inventory now. Okay. And now when we customize all this will a big video, and there's things that is for you a little boring, so I have bring for you here the UI scene. Okay, and we have here the import stuff, and we have here the import stuff. This import stuff we delete, and we take this and bring it to our player. So you can say here remove the scene, don't save please. And yeah, we have here something in. So now we're going here, canvas, we have here UI, camera, it's okay. We have here the background image, and we have here missing. Put it in, yes sir. And now we can press start. And yep, that is our inventory. So now we can here, this is for the render texture. We can delete this, is nothing what we need now. We're going here the raw image, and the raw image delete. So I think that looks much better. So let us see. I have here, this is for a character. You see the icons are not final. The all is not final. I will see later in an asset store for some cool graphics for us or a better package. But for now, you can see what you can do with this for customization. So we have here crest button. That works for the moment not. We have here the crafting. When you go in here, we open the crafting menu. You see here that the info box at the moment work not right. That is what we fix in the next video. But you see you can hear crafting. The blacksmithing is a blueprint of what we must bring in the next video for us. We can say some layouts, so crafting, bandage or whatever we want. And yeah, so and now when we can say I will back to the character, I press here the button character. I have here sort with a little sound, so we can sort this items later. We have here the credits, the white, and yeah, that's all. So later we can go in here and say, okay, close, and that's close, or we can press Y and I, and that is all. So you see, things that is better when I give you the UI at the moment as when we are going and see this all stuff. And when we make it this in a video, I think it will be a 1 hour video with some boring stuff, with see how I can change this all. You see here I have created a menu button. This was an empty. I have bring here the UI window script for button menu, and have here quests and crafting inventory, all the button what we need. You see here when you go and close, you close the inventory, the crafting and the character window. When we here are on character, when this video, when we press this button, the window crafting will hide and the character will show, and the same is here. The crafting window show and the character window hide. This is what the button does for us. So, and yeah, I think, yeah, you see what we have now. We have here the inventory with a grancer. See here, these are some images, and this is here that image and that image, up, down, and here for the credits. Yeah, so for this I have create 3 images and have it bring it here, and the same have I do on a character window. See here the grancer here for up, here and for down. Okay, yeah, and so I have creating the inventory the same as here. We have here border, crafting have a border, inventory have a border, character have a border, and the clothes have a border. Yeah, okay, I hope that help you. I think that is better when we make it so. I have creating the UI for you, and that is not final. In the next video we will create items and fix something. For the moment we must change something here in the manager when you use this UI. I have forgot it, sorry. And we have here some missing, and we must say here the canvas. We must say here the UI camera, and we go in here on this point, bank, loot, vendor, notice UI, crafting window standard, and here the crafting window layout, the context menu, confirm dialog, item buy and sell, relation, and relation. So, and this is from our DB here, here, and here. That's okay. Okay, that is what I have forgot when you use this UI from the add-on folder. Okay, that is all. So we can press file save now. So we have saved it, and we can playing, and yeah. Okay, crafting character. Okay, so, and I think you can look around what we have bring here, what I have done. You see it here in the UI scene, and I think that will you helping to look how have I create this, how I have customized this, and later in this tutorial series we will make much better graphic for the UI from a package from the asset store. Yeah, okay, I hope that helping you, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.